Yeah, hey there, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you what I got from Amazon 2 days ago. All right, so this is how it came in the usual Amazon box, yada yada. And let's get rid of the foo-foo here. And inside is Rayzoa Pro, 360 degrees. Now, this, when I first looked at it, it said looked like it was for bald heads, and I can certainly understand why. Obviously, you can see I don't have a bald head. I mean, it's getting there, but it's not there yet. Anyway, this is what I got, and I got it for just doing my face. So this is looking pretty good here. So let's open it up because I haven't opened it yet. Hyperflex technology. Oop, that sounds good. Precision Ultra. Head pattern, 2 hours recharge. Okay, yada yada. That sounds like good. Hold on. Wait for it. I got to figure out how to do this. I might have to. I might have to pause the camera. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Got it. All right, here is what it looks like. Okay, that doesn't sound good. Let's see. Okay, let's turn it upside down maybe. Turn it. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. All right. Okay, well, not too bad. It wasn't rolling around too much. All right, so it looks like we got some accessories at the top here. This is the main jobber here. This is a brush for, I guess, shaving cream. This is a trim. And we can all use that. I don't know if you can see that. We can all use that. Let's see what this one is here. This is a, I don't know, little rubber fingers. Whoops, let me get it down here. Sorry, my camera's down here and I'm looking up here at the screen. Little rubber fingers. I don't know, maybe a little massage thing. Go figure. All right, here's a nose trimmer. I've never used a nose trimmer before. So, okay, interesting. All right, that's all the meat and potatoes here. This is the regular shaver, and okay. All right, I can see myself doing this. Okay, enough of that. Okay, I can see where it plugs in, right there, right there. Okay, well, it feels good. I mean, what else can I say, huh? Go figure. Oh, can you hear it? Apparently it's working. I think it needs to be charged up some more because it doesn't sound like it's real strong. Anyway, this is what you get when your package arrives. And I'll look through the directions. And hopefully everything's going to be fine. If not, I'll let you know. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.